Hey, it's September. Don't just sit there picking your nose. Come join me on Twitch to celebrate my 40th anniversary of birth. We'll go through some YouTube videos, look at memes, and just try and figure out where it all started to go wrong. There'll be no prizes. I'll turn off the fart machine because it's my birthday and I don't want to smell ass. So why bother? What's the point? There'll be bears, clowns, red circles.
Or together we can just peer into the void. Is that your old blanket you had as a child? The ones the kids at school would tease you about, so much so that you got nervous and wet yourself, and everyone started calling you Pee-Pee Bum Bum Man? Oh.
Other funny robots. With appearances from Chester, Mark, Timmy, Bridget, and of course Old Man Roy. With special guest appearances from probably the police. It should be fun though, you should come. It will be grand.
Here are the details. So is that all you wanted me to do voiceover-wise? Yes, I could go some lunch. What about sushi? Okay, let's do it. I don't reckon anyone's gonna turn up with that thing. That guy's a tool.